In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert numeric values to spelled out text in Excel using Microsoft Copilot AI. This is a simple and practical way to turn numbers into written words directly inside your spreadsheet, which can be especially useful for invoices, financial documents, reports, or anytime you want values displayed in a more readable text format. To get started, open your Excel workbook and select the cell or column that contains the numeric values you want to convert. Make sure you highlight the correct data before moving on, because this helps Copilot understand exactly what you want it to work with. If your numbers are already organized in a single column, that will make the process even smoother. Next, go to the top right corner of the Excel ribbon and click the Copilot icon. This will open the AI side panel where you can interact with Microsoft Copilot using plain language. The nice thing here is that you do not need to write a formula manually. Instead, you can simply describe the result you want. In the Copilot chat box, type a prompt asking it to spell out your numbers. For example, you can ask it to convert the numbers in one column into spelled out text in another column. Try to be clear about where your original numbers are and where you want the written text to appear. A specific prompt usually gives you better results and helps avoid formatting mistakes. Once your prompt looks right, press enter or click the send button to submit it. Copilot will then process your request and generate the result inside your worksheet. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. After that, review the results in your spreadsheet carefully. Check that the numbers have been converted correctly and that the text formatting matches what you need. If everything looks good, click Accept or Insert to apply the result to your sheet. It is always a good idea to scan a few entries, especially larger numbers, just to make sure the output is accurate. If you want to adjust the format, you can send a follow-up prompt. For example, you might ask Copilot to capitalize the first letter of each result or include currency wording such as dollars and cents. This makes the tool flexible and it allows you to refine the output without starting over. And that's how to quickly convert numbers into spelled out text using Excel and Microsoft Copilot AI. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials.